Parked and forgotten.
Wow.
For absolutely no reason. Running and driving car.
None of the paint showing. I have no idea what actual color this is. I don't even want to know yet. I kind of want to find out later. This thing is covered. There's not a square inch of the whole entire car that is visible. Oh my God.
This is my father-in-law's. Car just got parked and here it's sat.
Wow. Brad, do you smell that? Oh my God. I should put a mask on for this.
And the culprit himself. How did you even get under there? Ooh.